Have you ever needed to locate a high quality or premium image for your documentation, but had to spend a lot of time searching the internet to locate one, and then wished you could just locate one royalty-free somewhere more quickly? Well, Microsoft have provided us with just that. Through Microsoft Stock Images, we have access to over 8,000 royalty and license-free photos, icons, stickers and illustrations for your documentation. So here we are in my documentation, and I need another icon here for my build and another photograph here on the right hand side to even this page up a little. I'm going to go to Insert and Pictures, then Stock Images. You'll see that you have hundreds, possibly thousands, of images available to you that are all royalty-free and license-free from Microsoft 365. We have additional icons, cut out people, stickers and illustrations. You can pick from the list or by searching for a particular topic and choosing your images from there. Now I'm going to go for construction and I'm going to pick this image here. Insert. I'm going to move it to where I want it on my page. Now I need an icon for this build, so I'm going to go back to Insert, then Pictures and Stock Images. I'm going to go to Icons and type in Building. This is the one I want, so I'm going to click Insert. Then I'm going to resize it. So there you have it, an easy way to insert some royalty and license-free images into your documentation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.